Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be well. Today we are going to start 5th chapter of your book Honeysuckle, a different kind of school. In today's video, I'll tell you the story of this chapter. So basically this chapter is a message about how simple things and teaching methods make learning more interesting and easier. Learning while doing, it means practical methods of learning is the best way to learn different things. And moreover, along with learning routine things, we need to make ourselves aware about our environment and problem of our society. We should try to know that how can we make children responsible and aware and good citizen. So in this chapter we will learn all these things. Now let's start the summary. So once there was a school, and in that school there was a teacher named Miss Beam. She used simple teaching method. So the narrator started saying that he had heard a lot of good things about Miss Beam's school. And you know who was Miss Beam? Miss Beam was known and famous for using simple teaching methods in a perfect way. So one day the narrator visited the school and he asked some question to the teachers. He told him that I have heard a lot of good things about your school, so I want to know which methods of teaching do you used in your school. Then she told him that she taught nothing special but simple calculation and writing. The boys and girls are taught how to do things independently without any help. Few things are read to them. Interesting talks and discussion were held to raise and increase their interest in learning. The main objective and aim of this school was to make the students more thoughtful and responsible citizens. Then the narrator went to school gardens, which were beautifully maintained. There he noticed a poor girl being helped by a boy. He also saw a girl with a crutch, it means a stick. That girl was walking with the help of a stick as she was blind. So the narrator thought that one was blind and other was lame. In short, he saw many disabled students in that school. But Miss Beam explained that the school observed one blind, one lame, one deaf, one injured, one dumb day for every child in the term. The objectives. These activities make the children more thoughtful and concerned, and also these activities help the children to realize and to understand the difficulties of the lame people. It means disabled people. Then Miss Beam explained this activity. She said, on the blind day, eyes were bandaged of one child and other children helped the blind throughout the day. This game became a great learning for both the blind and their helper students. After that, Miss Beam took the narrator to one of the bandaged girl. The girl shared her feeling and learning with him. She related how she felt scared of being hit at every moment. And this feeling of being hit at every moment was the most painful one. So after this experience, the narrator realized that he had also developed a concerned attitude towards the disabled. He told Miss Beam that he was very sorry to leave her school. He doesn't want to leave that school, but he had to leave. She felt happy to know that the system in her school was good, and her teaching style and the way of imparting values were marvelous. This is the summary of this chapter. I hope you have understood it very well. Thank you very much for watching this video.